This is Zone 3. This starts from the Prayag Hospital to Garware Junction or the Garware Underpass. It is mainly considering the Jem Road, and the surrounding main locations are the proposed metro station and the Deccan bus stop.
Hello, I am Maithili Potnis. This video will talk about the proposition of redevelopment of Garware Underpass and the bus depot. Observations for the bus depot. During our site visit, we observed that there is a blind corner at the turnover, making it difficult for the buses to turn. There is no designated area for the people waiting for the bus. The intervention for the bus depot. Creating a small square plaza helped in channelizing the circulation of the bus as well as creating a proper pause point for the pedestrians and the people waiting for the bus. Small eatery stalls and dining areas form recreational spaces. Information desks organize the timings for the buses and thus help the people to get the bus according to their convenience. No step too small, turning footsteps into energy. Unmaintained and broken footpaths were observed in many places, and redevelopment of the same is an urgency. Hence, we came up with tile modules, which is renewable and eco-friendly. Okay. Each footstep generates approximately 5 watt-second of grid electricity. Hence, 20 tile modules will generate approximately 10-second electricity. Observations for the Garware Underpass. The Garware Underpass, one of the main junctions on site, was once of great importance. The statue of Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of a great Maratha warrior Shivaji Maharaj, stands there, which is overlooked today. The place is not maintained. There are extremely narrow entry points to enter the Garware Underpass. We observed the pedestrians intend to sit at this halt point, but there is no adequate space. Intervention for the Garware Underpass. There are 3 main existing entries to the underpass which we have proposed to widen. A person is welcomed with cool green space with a soothing noise of the fountain. One can take a halt sitting under the stepped seating that overlooks the fountain and shaded with trees. In today's days of tarred roads, a small green space helps in percolation of water and the fountain cools the hot, dry climate in the surroundings. Vending machines serving beverages and bookshelves form a perfect entertainment source. Proposition for the redevelopment of the underpass.
Then the interventions which we tried out were highlighting the entrance to the underpass. We made 2 options. The first one was building a canopy in the Maratha style architecture, and the second one was having a modern glass canopy for the entrance to the underpass. But the second option was a better one, as the shops behind this canopy did not do the frontage as it is a transparent one. Then the interventions for the open food court outside the Art Deccan area. So the food stalls outside the Hong Kong lane are placed anyhow. Hence, all of them are clubbed together to form a single open food court, which will practice better hygiene and the space will look less cluttered. Then the interventions like the covered seatings at regular intervals. So the observation was the seating has been provided, but they are not covered, because of which they are not used during the rainy season mostly. Thus, covering them will make it usable and useful. Then this is the pause point near the bus depot. This part is actually occupied by auto rickshaws, and thus pedestrians are not really seen. And a good pause point for the people to take a break and also for travelers from the bus stop will be really helpful. Then this is the location opposite to our Deccan and parallel to Deccan bus depot. The issues noticed were that hard for the pedestrians to get on the walkway due to the congestion of people during peak hours and traffic. Double line parking of two-wheelers in front of the pedestrian walkway. Intervention: designing the parking area better to prevent double line parking of two-wheelers by extending the beautification program on the bylane as done on JM Road, to create a separate ramp or designated area where people can get on the walkway from the road.